Hello, everyone. Today I'm very happy to be with Gabriel Rubacha. He is the CEO of NOA Lithium Primes in Argentina. Gabriel, thank you so much for your time. I understand NOA has now completed mobilization and it's ready to start its 2026 drilling campaign at its Rio Grande project. What are the key objectives of this next phase of drilling as the company advances toward the PFS?
Yeah, thank you, Liz. We started this drilling campaign with the aim to get the additional information that we need for the PFS. We in the previous campaign we didn't have pumping wells, so we're gonna have that during this campaign, as well as we plan to do another well in the south of our properties. So this will provide the additional information that we need to start the PFS in the second half of this year. So this is an important step towards the completion of the PFS before the end of this year. Also, as we mentioned in a recent press release, we made an agreement or a strategic alliance with the Hydrotech. So this is going to be an important support for our campaign going forward and any activity that we're going to do in drilling in this project and other projects in our portfolio of projects.
And it sounds like a very critical year for NOAA as well, with this huge milestone with the PFS. And you recently also announced engaging Hatch to work on process engineering for the project. What are your plans and how do they align with your PFS timeline and objectives?
Yeah, our main objective or our main milestone during this year is to complete, as mentioned before, complete the PFS for Rio Grande before the end of this year. So we engage Hatch to work on a process evaluation of different DLE alternative to compare with our baseline, which is evaporation, is the process that we use for the PEA. So we're gonna test a few DLE technologies. So we're gonna compare for that. So once we start the actual PFS in the second half of this year, we're gonna have enough information to be able to get a good starting point to see which is the right route to take from the project to the PFS. We believe that with the high grade, high concentration that we got in Rio Grande provides this flexibility of different options for the project, and we wanted to take the most adequate technology and process for the Rio Grande, and that's why we engage in this process. That is going to take us 2-3 months to get results, and the next step is going to be during the PFS. So all the activities that we are doing, the drilling campaign, this engineering activity, is everything is associated with getting into Rio Grande into this PFS before the end of the year. So we are doing everything in line with this timeline in our mind.
And talking about timelines, we understand that the lithium market has experienced a very difficult cycle over the last 2 years and has been recovering during the past few months. Irrespective of these market conditions, NOAA has continued to advance Rio Grande very aggressively. How do you see positioning and timing of the project within the broader lithium market today?
Yeah, we started this company in March 2023. Fortunately, we dealt with the down cycle of the lithium, and we were able to develop the Rio Grande project in 2 years, in a little bit more than 2 years. in less than 2 years, we got maiden resource. In little less than the a year and a half, we updated. In 2 years and a half, we had the PEA. So we were very aggressive in terms of the development of the project in order to get as much value as possible, even during these terrible market conditions. And now that the market is recovering, we believe that is the right time to take Rio Grande to PFS. And we wanted to continue with this pace, continue to be aggressive. And this time with some tailwind, we hope that it's going to be much easier to take the Rio Grande project to PFS. And hopefully we can have some good news associated with the Arizaro and Salinas Grandes during 2026 that also may unlock additional value for the other two projects that we got in our portfolio.
Amazing. Well, it's a very exciting year for NOAA. We're looking forward to seeing all these catalysts as the company advances toward the PFS. Thank you so much, Gabriel, for your time and for walking us through it. And we'll leave a link below for anybody that wants to keep up with the latest news from NOAA Lithium. Thank you, Gabe.
Thank you.